If you find our content valuable and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's dive into today's video. In today's video, we'll discuss 5 plants which improve the quality of groundwater. Vetiver grass is one of the most effective natural solutions for groundwater purification, thanks to its extraordinary root system. The roots of this grass can grow straight down into the soil up to 3 meters or more, creating a dense underground network. This acts almost like a natural filtration wall. As rainwater moves downward through the soil, the roots trap sediments, heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and arsenic, and agricultural chemicals such as nitrates and phosphates. Additionally, vetiver is highly resistant to pests and diseases, meaning it doesn't require chemical treatments that could otherwise leak into groundwater. Its ability to stabilize loose soil prevents erosion, reducing the runoff of pollutants into water bodies. This plant is often planted around farms, riverbanks, and recharge zones to maintain both soil health and clean groundwater. Bamboo is not just a fast-growing, versatile plant. It's also a powerful agent for improving groundwater quality. Its thick, fibrous roots penetrate deep into the soil and break up hard, compacted layers that typically prevent water infiltration. As bamboo roots spread, they create pathways that allow rainwater to seep deeper into the earth, rather than flowing away as surface runoff. While this happens, bamboo roots trap pollutants like pesticides, fertilizers, and organic waste. What's even more fascinating is that bamboo promotes the growth of beneficial soil microbes around its roots. These microbes help break down harmful chemicals, purifying the water as it percolates through the soil. Bamboo is especially valuable in areas undergoing reforestation or land restoration, where degraded soils threaten the natural groundwater recharge process. Willow trees are nature's living water treatment plants. They are widely recognized for their role in phytoremediation, the use of plants to clean up contaminated environments. Willows absorb large quantities of water and nutrients through their extensive root systems. As they take in water, they also absorb nitrates, phosphates, heavy metals, and even certain hydrocarbons. These pollutants are either stored within the plant tissues or metabolized into less harmful substances. Amla trees naturally enrich the soil by dropping nutrient-rich leaves and fruits, which decompose and enhance the organic matter content of the soil. This organic layer improves soil structure, increasing its porosity and water-holding capacity. As rainwater infiltrates the soil under an amla tree, it slows down, allowing natural filtration processes to occur. Harmful pathogens, chemical residues, and sediments are filtered out before the water reaches deeper aquifers. Moreover, by minimizing surface runoff, amla plantations help in conserving rainwater and promoting groundwater recharge. Mangroves are vital defenders of coastal groundwater systems. Growing in the challenging intertidal zones where land meets the sea, mangrove roots form dense, tangled networks that perform multiple ecosystem services. These roots trap sediments and reduce the speed of tidal waters, preventing the movement of pollutants into freshwater zones. Mangroves can absorb and store a variety of pollutants, including heavy metals, organic waste, and even oil residues. Additionally, the microbial communities that live among mangrove roots help break down pollutants, further cleansing the water. One of the critical threats to coastal aquifers is saltwater intrusion, especially as sea levels rise. Mangroves serve as a natural barrier, maintaining the delicate balance between saltwater and freshwater, protecting inland groundwater from becoming too saline. Their ability to filter and stabilize makes them essential in coastal areas that are vulnerable to climate change and industrial pollution. These plants not only beautify the environment, but serve crucial ecological roles in protecting and purifying one of our most vital resources, groundwater. Investing in nature-based solutions like these is key to sustainable water management in the future.